right there.
What happened to it?
Yeah, that's nice.
Okay, he on TV. Wait. Bad did that?
I'm in the trap every day. What? Stay in the trap, get racks every day. She fuck with me now, I told her to leave. I hook in the water, she liking my baby. Ain't saving a hoe, I go in a cave. You beef with me, don't think you ever save. I hop in the foreign and drive like a race. You sipping the Henny, I don't need a chase. We dodging the feds, ain't catching no case. I swear, make one day. Don't think you ever save.
Hey, make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe. We going up. My shot. My shot out. Hey. Alright you guys, man, it's your boy TJ. I'm back again with a brand new video for you guys. So today I'm about to get this shock fixed. That's why I'm at Modifix right now, as you can tell. Shout out to Modifix. You better go ahead and get the shock fixed, and then we're just gonna go from there, you guys. So I'm gonna show you guys the process of it getting fixed right now. I'm gonna show you the shock right now. Hold on one second. There's the shock right here. That shock's so bad. Oh man. Oh.
That one's got that plug look. Are you gonna go on this side? Or you got both?
I'm just doing one.
Oh, you on this side?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm looking at you put off the right side.
No, I was gonna tell you.
Oh. That was red. Okay, so
Bro, start it real quick. Start it real quick.
What up, Gucci gang? It's your boy Buddy in the place to be. Back again with another vlog. So, y'all look, you got the light on scorpions. This is the owner. So what do you do?
Everybody call me here. The car is Texas Party 392. Right now I got a basic bill, but the
You gonna start it up? Pretty hard. Y'all gotta go to Modifix for this. Look at that.
Hey, y'all, check this out.
That's pressure.
I was going, wait to start up.
Yeah, that's pressure. That's pressure. So this is what the floor look like. All that. That's messed up, y'all. Appreciate that. Did you spell it on his own? No. You can spell it on his own? I was saying the oil that was burning off. Oh, no.
up every year. So what? I'll do it. Run what you run. Don't put up things.
Early right there.
What happened to it?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, we on TV.
Wait, Bad did that?
That's what he said.
Read the part number and make sure. Read the part number and make sure it's the right side. Read the part number. Make sure it's the right side. Like that part number. It'll say right and left.
Shit, that shit different though.
Huh?
Shit look different.
If I did my shit purple.
1 hour later.
That's what's up. Oh man. Alright, you guys, man, it is fixed, so we can finally hit it. We ain't gotta worry about it turning or nothing.